At the heart of Waitangi, over 3 days, we explored Te Toi o Te Mahara, the origin of our creative expression, honouring the legacy of Hawaii and the wairua that flows through us all. Leaders, artists and changemakers united to share kōrero, ignite inspiration and shape a future that elevates the peak expression of our culture. This is Te Toi Mahara.
For me, going to places like Festpac give you an understanding, a scope. It made me think about our role as Māori in Te Moana Nui a Kiwa, but also made me think about what can we do to contribute back to our tuakana and our people in the moana.
This is the census result from last year. 904,000 Māori, 184,470 Ngāpuhi.
When we move together, we're stronger. Being Ngāpuhi means being whatever I need to be in order for the kaupapa to come forward.
The cultural landscape is defined by its people. People like the kaimahi and the kaipakahaere and the hard-working, incredibly tireless rangatahi and of course pakehe who are running this event. The resurgence, the reimagining, the construction of contemporary Māori art and the contemporary Māori art world emerged from Te Tai Tokerau. This for me is the essential learning. This is the ākonga nui. This is the drive and the energy that we need to reimagine, to take ourselves and our children, our mokopuna, into this century. That is what reimagining the cultural landscape is about too. It is finding yourself in the work and making it magic.
What is really important and precious to Ngāpuhi that you would want to see perpetuated in your children, in your mokopunas in the years to come?
Mai ngā whiki paki tēnā paki.